Okay, it's the 9th, Monday. No news Monday, actually. To provide context, not a crazy day. Up $65. To be honest, as expected from a no news Monday, if anything, I'd like to not trade on these days just to practice good discipline. But no, traded low size 1 to 2 contracts maximum. And yeah, was just very careful. So initially at the start of the day, I kind of broke my rules. When I say kind of, it's because I made a new rule going into the week of I'd use 2 contracts. I think I used 1. So I didn't class the initial loss. And then also, by the time I'd stepped away, I just liked this trade so much that I wanted to take it, even though I had 2 small losses, and then it kind of cancelled out. And we'll go over if it was a good decision or not. But initially, so the draw's higher, as we haven't retraced into this 15-minute. We haven't swapped out any buy side here. We're in a bull trend, so I'm looking to take longs. And then what I see originally is 1 minute fair value gap, sweep up liquidity. I zoom into the 15-second. I think I was a little bit too zoomed in here, but I saw this as turtle soup, saw big displacement up, entered in long. Pretty good risk, targeting internal and external. Stopped out. Then I was like, yo, this just got stop rated. And then instant displacement back up. So I'm thinking, right, we entered in here. Again, initial target, further target, and this got stopped out. So I was like, okay, 2 losses, that's the rule, step away. So I did. Now going over why I think this was too zoomed in. There was no on this first trade, there was no fair value gap that got, first of all, created cleanly and disrespected of another one, even on the 1 minute. When we go to where we were bouncing, which is here. Ooh, I guess technically there was this fair value up on the second one, but on the first one there was just nothing. It's literally just up and then we come straight down. So second trade I'm completely chill with because I think it was a fine model. I don't think it was bad, and I think it was aligned with the draw nicely. And it was with really light size because I knew it was no news Monday, so everything's less probable. So first trade, probably silly loss to take. Second trade, I'm completely fine with taking that loss. But that was the reason for that. So obviously stepped away, and then I came back, and let's have a look at why. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, so disrespected this inverse fair value gap. Note the draw is higher, so I'm only looking for longs really until we get proper displacement down. Create this big fair value gap here. And what's really annoying is I had a buy limit on for this stop braid, but I ended up, my entry was a bit scuffed because I took my limit off because I thought it was, I didn't think it was going to get tagged, and then literally got tagged as I removed it. So could have made probably another $100 today, but it's chill. So yeah, saw this big displacement up. I initially thought this was turtle soup for a sell model, but then realizing the draw's higher. Once we got displacement up, stop braided, I jumped in long. First target these highs, second target the draw. Then I went off to the gym, and then what I did is, stupidly looking back, I mean potentially this is what I should be doing, but when this low get made, I move my stop to the low, and then got stopped out, and then reversed to my TP. So literally by a couple ticks. Do I have proof of that on this? Okay, stop me out just below it, but yeah, it's a weird one because any other situation I don't expect this to happen. I expect this to go to this level. I don't expect it to reverse all the way down to this sell side level. And potentially when this happens, I don't expect to go back up here. So I think this is an anomaly and potentially a characteristic of No News Monday. But I was happy I only need to catch this. I only need to catch this huge move. This was mainly just a runner move, so this is why I made the money back from both the previous 2 trades to take me to break even. So I wasn't too pissed, and I was at the gym, so I couldn't really manage the position anyway. But yeah, that was the second trade. Then obviously went to the gym and came back. Did I take a pre-market short loss here? Looks like I did. I think it was because, let's have a look. It'll be in my journal, but I haven't got my journal open here. Ooh, interesting. So it looks like I made a small 15-second trade here. I believe this got stopped out. Let's have a look where I take this trade. Oh, it's because there was an internal SMT, and then yeah. I'm not sure why. I can remember it, but why is there no annotations anywhere around this? I think I assumed the draw to be lower. We had an SMT at these highs. Entered in short because I like the model, and then I think it was just an amazing model. Comparing it with ES, but then reverse and got stop rate, and I think it was such light size. But again, the fact I can't really see what I was seeing, it's definitely not a good sign. This, I was really bear bias earlier. Another short, which I think, did this one make money? Let's have a look. Let me look at my executions. So I entered 2 shorts here, scaled 2 out there and 1 there. Yeah, so this made a good amount of money. And this one, did this one get stopped? Oh, this one got stopped to pretty much break even. So I didn't actually get stopped out, I think I took it off. Oh, yes, it did. I remember actually. Yeah. Hard. Yeah, this is not a very informative video, but low-key it was a pretty sus No News Monday. So yeah, anything I took was kind of back testing anyway. This was a really nice trade. Why did I take that? I think I knew draw was lower. Fair value up, the displacement down, entered in, targeting this, and then the draw. Yeah, nice trade. And then some longs here, which I caught. Ooh. Yeah. I'm really incoherent with what I did today. This is bad. How can I not remember that? I think it's because there was periods of time where I stepped away and then came back. Because I had a lot of shit on today. It would have been this 5-minute fair value gap. I'm looking this to be the buy side. Okay, make a buy model. Holding 5-minute, 1-minute, come down, sweep liquidity, enter in long, target the draw, and then the external. And then, yeah, price does a bit of a mazza in the PM. Did I take any PM shorts? No, I did not. It says I had an execution up here though, but I haven't got it drawn out. So normally if it's an execution, it was on my account, which hasn't got, like it's not linked with this channel and the money. Oh yeah, this move was just, there's no way you could catch this. I tried to catch this and I just couldn't. Yeah, pretty, this is probably my worst journaling video in terms of what I've gone over. Let's do the draw on liquidity for tomorrow. because fuck going over everything else. As long as it's basically fucking journaled that traded the no news Monday, stuck to my habits, kept low size, traded overall good models which I'm happy with, and yeah, it's hard. I'm low-key a little bit drunk, but it's chill. Okay, so we're getting up into this 4 hour now. Low-key might even run through it. Daily, we might be coming back to this daily inverse here. Daily inverse. Here's our sell side levels. For our time frame, we're in. Here's our buy side up here. Here. Zooming in. Okay, open. Okay, so actually, when I left, there's not much I really like still in this hourly. The buy side's now been swept, so I'll be looking to potentially take some shorts if we fail to displace and target some of these lows. But it depends. If we break through this and we get this daily again, I could look for some shorts. But also we could go and see this buy side level if we get nice volume up. But I'll just be waiting to see what happens. I don't want to predict. I want to observe and react. So it's going to be a waiting game. Tomorrow is not a clear draw. And on ES, let's have a look. Okay, so still in this daily, in fact holding bullish. If we were bearish, that wouldn't hold, so that's an indication of what's going on. And we've also just ran through this 4 hour fair value gap. So I now expect this to be inverse. To potentially see higher prices, we have this buy side level here. This one here. Those would be my two draws. So more bullish on ES than bearish, and more than NQ as well. Obviously, note we are in this hourly fair value gap, but if we break through that, I potentially will see buy side and maybe higher as well. That's my sell side levels. Draw my buy side there. So yeah, if we break through this hourly, I definitely expect this to be the draw. And if not, and we hold this and we sweep, I can maybe see a sell model and potentially see lower. But we are holding this daily bullish action right now. I'm more bullish on ES. So I think that's everything. Definitely scuffed journaling session, but yeah, I had a lot of shit on today. Wasn't a crazy trading day. Yeah, this week's gonna be good. The thing about having Mondays like this is starting off the week nice and like, don't rush into it and fucking blow the accounts and overtrade on the very first day. Just ease into the week. So yeah, tomorrow let's actually just check. Let's check the news here. Okay, so pre-market we've got some news and that's it. And then ooh, CPI Wednesday, Jesus. Gonna be a bit nutty. Thursday CPI. Okay. End of the week is a bit nuts. Tomorrow should also be chill. But I will be using, if applicable, full size, so that's 5 contracts. And my minimum size, no matter what, I'm setting a new rule for myself, is literally like, even if I'm up even if I'm up on the day, my smallest size is 2 contracts, not 1. So yeah, that's gonna be hard. And yeah, I'll be live trading and do another video. And I'll get another video out tomorrow. I am so fucking incoherent, fuck. For fucking context, went to get this part-time job as a delivery driver actually, because, actually should I be saying that? It's bare personal. It's chill. Basically, on weekends, just to accumulate capital and not spend business money, because the business profits should be reinvested and shouldn't be spent on, one, degenerate shit, and two, like, me living at uni. Like, realistically, that is not a good way to spend the money from this business. So, so I had a part-time job, got the job, little celebration with the boys at a point, a couple of pints, and left this video a bit late, because I also had other shit to do. But anyway, that was way too much context, but it's chill. Alright, yeah, hard.